Some do take. That's why you're showing it to the certain people you do that with because with the music industry, especially for us girls, like it's hard to feel because you get like male producers, but when you get fame, so you must give me a certain thing. I don't want
certain
that.
Thing. What's that?
Like I don't want that. That's why you're showing it to
certain thing. What's that? No, I'm curious. And even the viewers, like, bazo surprised. What's the no? What's my balance? Bafuna na producer lawa.
Bastard. Are you sure?
Bastard.
Yes.
Bafuna. Ay, na producer lawa yahlupha lawa. Bafuna. Yeah, obvious. I mean, you're speaking from experience.
No, I'm from experience. It never happened to me, but
is it? Oh, but it's stories that you hear. Hey,
yes, you understand. And also, like having abangani abafana nobama silver kanje, you understand?
Yeah.
Like bayakhipha kulezo zinto lezo ukuthi hayi intwana yabona kule music industry like ukukhohlakele, you understand? Like you have evil people. Umuntu uzokutshela ukuthi hayi phela wena once wayenza itrack nami, when you are getting exposure and you get money from this, when I give me this.
Give me what? They should give you what?
Aye.